When economic crisis hit us, like it has hit us now, they say it is the entrepreneurs, specifically the newer entrepreneurs or the smaller entrepreneurs, that are hit the worst. But interestingly, it's the same set of entrepreneurs who are able to extract best opportunities out of such crisis situations. The question is, what is it that as an entrepreneur you need to do to overcome the current crisis and convert that into your advantage? 3 things which are super critical for us to do at this point in time. First of all, changing circumstances call for a changed mindset. So the first thing we'll have to do is to change our mindset. I'm sure when you would have started, you would have a plan in mind, you would have a strategy in mind, you would have a segment in mind. But the situation is that the external environment has changed, and therefore you need to quickly adapt to that. One big mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs do is to wait for perfection. While it is great to have a perfect solution, but these are not the times. The first thing that you have to do as you are changing your mindset is don't worry about perception, but worry more about execution. How will you get part of that service, part of that solution, something that keeps your enterprise running and keeps your revenues going is far more important than worrying about perfectionism. The second thing is around profitability. You may have a particular formula in mind, you may have thought how you will run your business, but currently generating revenue is far more important than worrying about profitability. So if you have to compromise a bit on your profitability, do that, relook that. In the long run, things will change and it will turn out. Lastly, something that I learned from a friend yesterday is about generosity. This is the time to be generous as possible, not just as a professional, but more as a human being. So look at how you can help others in creating success for them, and therefore be successful yourself. The second thing is about changing the business model. We are in current times where having a lot of cost, having a lot of dependency on external vendors, external partners is very difficult. See in your business model what is it that you can reduce so that you become self-sufficient. Do as much work as possible yourself. If you are a small enterprise, let go of things that require a lot of costs, lot of dependence on other people. So that will be an important piece. And of course, you can always outsource certain things at a fraction of a cost to be able to sustain yourself. And lastly, I think it's about adapting technology. No matter what business you are in, you have to now bring technology into your business. Bringing technology can mean either you need to take your business online if you're already not there, or look at how technology can augment your efforts and create a better delivery mechanism for you. And as you are adapting to these changed situations and evolving circumstances, the most important thing would be your own learning agility. All these points that I mentioned will require you to learn how to learn things first. Once you can get the art of learning right, then you can adapt very well and evolve into a very different and a very, very successful enterprise. Remember, a crisis is the best opportunity that is knocking on your door, and this is the time for us to do the right things, be prepared, and reap the right benefits.